Are you all feeling really stressed? Because ma'am, PU board tumba close agide, 2 months exam ide. I don't know what I have been doing all throughout the years, but now I want to rectify everything and I want to correct myself and I want to make sure that this next 2 months are going to fetch me something great, which I'm not able to do. And because of this, ma'am, stress, tumba stress, ma'am, yavaglu stress, ma'am, right? And searching videos like how to reduce stress. Let me tell you, students, you are stressed, but you're not alone. It is very normal that from 10th, when you move to your 11th and 12th, you start taking, education concept a little more lightly, because till 10th, your class teachers, your parents are always around you and they're like, study, 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 odu, odu, odu. But after you come to first PU and second PU, you are started to be treated as a college student. And because of that, throughout the year, we do not do anything, but then we start getting the impact of stress. That is, the first most important thing is fear of failure. Ma'am, what if I fail? What if I'm not able to prove myself to anyone? Then what is going to happen? Ma'am, what if I start comparing with, one of my friend who told me that they did not study anything but ended up scoring really well? What if I am not able to do anything to a student who is, learning in a tuition? Right, many times what happens, college teachers take tuitions at home and many students go there, and some of you might not be able to afford, some of you, because of the distance, you might not be able to join. Ma'am, what about them? What if I cannot score because I did not join in the tuition? Ma'am, what if my future itself is dark because I did not do my plus 2 well, I did not do my PUC well? And the last thing, because of this loophole of stress, you end up procrastinating, and you do not know where, when, what is going to change, right? So let me tell you, students, instead of having the whole thought process of stress, let me tell you, let's have a growth mindset. That is, full year, oitu, leave it. Now 2 months. That 2 months is going to be very precious. Let me tell all of you that for this next 2 months, what you are exactly supposed to do, I'm going to tell it to all of you. And students, having a complete fixed mindset will not let you reach to the success. But for that, you need a growth mindset. Now, what is growth mindset? You have to prepare for this next 2 months in such a way that there is no tomorrow. That is, let's say you're starting with your physics. I would request all of you to start from part 1, start with electric charges, start with magnetism, start with electrostatic. The first 4 chapters, try to ace that chapters, because each of the chapter has around 13 to 10 marks. Then that means they are the high weightage chapters. Then take part 2 of the physics, do dual nature, do atoms and nuclei. They have 7 marks and 5 marks according to your blueprint. Do ace this chapter, and let's say optics is not your cup of tea, you are not understanding anything in optics. Make sure that you solve every single question in ray optics from the previous year. Buy a previous year book for physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics and solve every single question of ray optics from previous year. Understand the concept. Okay, if you're not understanding the concept, try to learn, read multiple times. Something you will understand. This is how you do it. That is, having a growth mindset that it's okay. Nan full year na waste madidini, but parvagilla. 2 months ide. I have come to a realization. And this December, today, let's say December 21st, you have decided that no, ma'am, I am going to score 95% in my boards and I'm going to make sure that my future is changed. You are 10 days before making a good decision for your new year. Instead of making a new year resolution, why don't you decide that, yes, I'm going to start studying. So that is your physics. Plan is done. First 4 chapters, you're going to make it your strongest point because they are the high weightage chapters. And then solve questions. For that, let's keep it up to the month of Feb. Now, go to chemistry. Start with organic chemistry. Start with organic chemistry because if you take organic chemistry in the month of Jan or Feb, then I'm telling you, you might regret your choice. So start with organic chemistry right now, right today. No tomorrow, today. And start with organic. Then go to physical. Then go to inorganic. According to whichever you're good at, you can change a little bit. And then come to biology. And biology, I'll tell you exactly what to do. Start with reproduction unit, highest weightage unit, reproduction genetics. Start with sexual reproduction in flowering plants. If you are not able to understand something, type sexual reproduction in flowering plants by Gopika ma'am. Video will pop up on this channel. Go and see all the major concepts like microsporogenesis, megasporogenesis, outbreeding devices, pollination. Everything is taught on this channel. Go and learn that. Then go to your genetics. Do sexual reproduction, human reproduction, reproductive health. Reproductive health, I would tell you, just solve the previous year questions. Don't even have to, go through the entire chapter, but solve the previous year questions. Then your solid point should be in molecular basis of inheritance and principles of inheritance. Keep evolution, biotechnology, everything to the little more later. But now if you're planning to start with genetics and reproduction unit. Whichever you like first, start. But these are the highest weightage units. You cannot skip these chapters. Now you understood what to do. Same thing goes for mathematics, and I think maths teacher is the best person to tell that. So this way, your 2 months, and let me tell you students, even I have been there. I have invested my 2 months in such a way that you people will not believe. I used to even know the page number of biology, the diagrams. That much I used to read. And I have practiced all the sample papers. Now, second most important thing that I'm telling you. Effective study tips. That is, first of all, understand, since you are late for this whole race, first of all, have a goal. Like, what is the goal that I'm telling? That, ma'am, physics, that first 4 chapters, I am going to complete in this next 10 days. No matter what. I'm going to invest 3 hours every single day and finish the chapter. That is your goal. I'm going to complete molecular basis and principles of inheritance in this coming week. Goal. Next most important thing. Have a timing. That when am I going to complete it? Don't tell that I will complete it on March 1st. I will complete it before March 1st. No. Correct timing. Correct timing. Ma'am, I will start now. I'll finish it here. Make a timing. Then the most important thing. Use mind maps, short notes. Use any other techniques to understand the concept. Use the diagrams in the NCERT to understand the concept. Use videos, animated videos. Don't have to stick to the old traditional method of reading book every single line and referring encyclopedia. No. You have everything available in your fingertips. On this channel, we have explained most of the chapters and numericals, most repeated questions. What are you waiting for? Go and check out those videos. This is the most important thing. Now, second major thing, solve sample papers. Now, don't solve sample papers just by sitting and solving the papers. No. Keep a timer of 3 hours. Take sample papers, take it from OSWAL, take it from your PU board, model question papers, anything. Take the sample papers, start solving in 3 hours. See students, when you're going to write your PU board, you will be in a lot of stress because a lot of people will be there. You will be in a different college. You will not be in your college. You will not be in your comfort zone. Some of you might get your own college. Some of you might get some other college. Now, when you go there, you see that, okay, ma'am, infrastructure is somewhat different. Ma'am, there's no fan. Teacher looks very strict. I'm getting scared. Because of that, you will not be able to complete your paper in 3 hours. So, by solving sample papers, keeping a timer of 3 hours will help you understand exactly what to do. Clear? This is the second tip. I'm telling you students, for next 2 months, practice these tips and solve. See, if you're not able to understand some concept, if you're not able to understand some chapters, practice previous year questions from it, especially for maths. You should know every single question that has come in the previous years. And let me tell you, PU board is going to give the previous year questions only. They will change the number and give. That's all. Biology, they won't even change the number. Just the pattern will be changed. So please do that. And build a confidence. Trust. Think that, yes, I can do this. It's not that difficult. I have myself and I can do this. And when you do checklist of 1 by 1, let me tell you, automatically confidence will come. Today, write it in a piece of paper that I'm going to complete electricity in next 2 days. Or today I'm going to complete it. First tick you put on that, I'm telling you, your confidence is going to be 100%. And this is the only way to get 95% in 2 months. Practice previous year questions, do sample papers with timers and start with the high weightage chapters. Watch videos, watch short notes, use mind maps. This is the thing. And let me tell you students, there is nothing that is going to beat you if you do this. And this is going to be you after that. Not just your books, you will also be studying with the books. And let me tell you, every setbacks, is a setup for a comeback. And let me tell you, this is your comeback time. Everyone are going to laugh at you. Everyone are going to be shocked that how in 2 months this fellow did so much of magic. And you should be that magician because you have the power to do all of it. If you decide that today I'm going to do this, let me tell you, no one else has the power more than you. And by this, I'm coming to an end of this video, students. Let me know in the comments if this video was helpful, and this might be the biggest comeback for all of you. I am telling you, people who laughed at you, people who mocked at you for looking at your marks will be shocked because majority of the students have done the comeback in 2 months, and 2 months is more than enough for a better comeback. Practice question, do sample papers with timers and start with high weighted chapters. This is the goal. This is the secret sauce, secret recipe to score 95%. I hope this video was helpful. See you next time. Till then, tata, bye-bye. Definitely comment and like the video and share with all our Namma Karnataka students and with your college students. It's going to be super duper helpful for them. And also, you are a good friend if you're doing the sharing part. Thank you. Bye-bye.